So how often are you going to power wash and clean your fence and stain it? Boy, that's a great question in regards to...
Are you a DIYer looking to sharpen your skills? Looking for solutions for home improvement issues? Getting advice when needing to hire a contractor? And staying up to date on the latest the industry has to offer on news and trends? You are in the right place. Welcome to Discover Your Home with your host, Mark Lotz.
Good maintenance schedule. I find that most people have a fence that is either semi-transparent or semi-solid. Color will start to fade in a couple of years. I would say if you're looking to be consistent, 2 to 3 years is a really good benchmark to go ahead and just maintain that fence, okay? You can go, I've let mine go, 4 and 5 years, and it can, but 2 and 3 years is really a good maintenance schedule for your fence staining and cleaning. What kind of stain? There again, I'm going to recommend Ready Seal is probably a transparent. Sherwin-Williams has got a nice semi-transparent and semi-solid, and Benjamin Moore Arbor Coat, which has got a semi-trans and a semi-solid. I like the oil. I think the oil has a tendency to penetrate better. The downside with oils is they don't keep their color. I don't find they keep their color as long as, say, an acrylic-based product. So there's good and bad with all products. So, but if I'm going to recommend you and steer you one way, I'm going to recommend you to go ahead and do a oil-based stain on your fence. Thank you again for joining me. I'm Mark here at Discover Your Home. And thank you. Have yourself a great weekend.
Thanks so much for listening to this episode of Discover Your Home with your host, Mark Lotz. Online at lotzremodeling.com. That's Lotz, L-O-T-Z, remodeling.com. And on Twitter and Facebook at Lotz Remodeling. We'll catch you next time.